So, hi, dear Gemini. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey, with Ho'oponopono, don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. And again, if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. So let's see. Gemini, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Queen of Wands, the King of Swords, the Devil. This is someone who is very determined, very, very determined to cut the crap, to cut this third party situation, this toxicity, this negativity, this manipulation, this unhealthy kind of attachment in the situation. So this is someone who is right now very focused on themselves as much as they can, their looks, their personality, their personal development, personality development, whatever you call it. And at the same time, they're very determined to to be very logical, very practical, and cut everything and everyone who is not resonating with their energy right now. So right now, this connection is not resonating with their energy. So they're planning to detach from the situation and be very practical, very logical, and work on themselves and their own personality as much as they can. Be happy in their own life, connecting with new people, new energies, new things, new situations, and keeping themselves as happy and as much in their productive side as they can. So this is the energy from their side. Let's see what what are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini. What this person wants from you or from the situation right now. We have the Page of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. This person wants to talk to you about this energy of being upset about the situation. They definitely want to connect with you and talk to you about how upset they are because of this situation. Because they think when they are going to talk to you, they will be able to have this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy, and they will be able to move on from the situation or maybe to work out with you, right? Regarding the situation. So, whatever the case may be, they think talking to you is very, very important for their healing, and they want to talk to you about how upset they are because of this situation and how confusing it is for them to not to be able to move on and not to be able to connect with you. So they want to talk to you about this. Initiate the connection, you can say, initiate the friendship kind of energy with a very soulful kind of energy, like, yeah, let's talk about it because it's bothering me, might be it's bothering you too. Okay, that's good actually. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of September, honey. So this is somebody who is carrying a lot of love for the situation still. There's a lot of care involved in the situation, but they can't be in the situation and their mind is telling them to cut this situation at least for the time being. Yeah, this person is not going to take any kind of action, to be honest with you. They're going to play hide and seek. They're going to play like, okay, I'm interested, then I'm not interested, I'm interested, I'm not interested, like giving you mixed signals, like, yeah, I'm interested, like maybe posting pictures that's not directly related to you but something related to you, something like that, or some kind of status or songs or something like that, confusing the shit out of you, right? But I do see this person being very focused on their money, job, career, success, looks, personality development, and everything like that. They're coming out of this losses, they're coming out of this victim mentality, like they were feeling left out in the cold. They're holding on to this energy of coming out of the situation as soon as possible. Then they will be in this energy of, okay, I'm going to talk to Gemini when I am going to cross a certain limit of healing portion, or cross a certain limit of success, or do something that's resonating with my energies right now to improve my overall energies individually. So right now they're focused on themselves, their money, their money, job, career, yes, but most importantly their looks, their confidence, their overall energy, their personality development, and they are holding on to this energy of, I have to work on myself no matter what. Then I will see about this love and relationship kind of a deal. Right now, nope. So playing hide and seek, hide and seek. I like, again, giving you mixed signals and doing nothing, leaving you confused might be a little bit. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Gemini. We have the Five of Swords. Don't be deceptive. Don't lie to yourself, Gemini. If you love this person, then you love this person. If you don't, you don't. Okay. Just be very, very honest with yourself. Don't play mind games with yourself, at least. Okay, be honest with yourself. Okay, whatever they are doing, it's their projection, it's their energy. Okay, but whatever you are doing, it's your responsibility, it's your duty to be honest with yourself, to be in this energy of, okay, this is the truth of my feelings, this is my whole truth. So I still love this person, I still care for them, or whatever, maybe the exact opposite of what I'm saying. But whatever it is, stay in tune with your energy, stay in tune with your heart, and be honest and loyal with yourself, at least, if not the other energy, so that you can move on with your own truth. Okay, even if it hurts, just be with your own truth. This is what I'm getting as a guidance for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.